We have crazy sounds of wind close to us. We're on Midland Avenue. We feel it. It's on the ocean. You hear it? Huge wind. Noise. Looks like a tornado coming. Nobody knows.